Hello there and welcome back. Today I will show you how to make a Blue Among Us figure. Easy to make. The only thing that is a little bit tricky is this panel or the goggles. But follow my steps and it will be easy to do. You need also to mix a little bit of colors to get the right colors to it. Otherwise, just look at my video, and if you like it, remember to subscribe. Begin by mixing the colors. You need dark blue and light blue. The dark blue is for the body and the light blue is for the shading. Start by rolling your body. Squeeze the light blue and place it where the goggles or the panel will fit. Roll them together, but don't lose the shape of the body. Use your fingers and the surface to get the perfect shape. It's time to make the backpack. You need a piece of the dark blue and an even smaller piece of the light blue. Try to cut them into squares and then put them together. If you use a razor blade, you can always put a little bit of tape on it so you don't cut your fingers. Now squeeze and push with your fingers. You can also use the surface to get the perfect shape of the backpack. It's time for the legs. You need two pieces. Roll them and squeeze between your fingers and just place them underneath the body. Place the backpack on the right spot. And now I will show you how to make the goggles. This is from another video. You can look at it too if you want to. Start by making a roll of white. Use light blue and roll it around the piece of white. Cut away the excess material. Roll and squeeze with your fingers, but don't lose the shape. Now you need gray. We will not cover the whole roll with gray, just half. Cut it to get a sharp edge. Now we place the roll on it. Roll it, but only half. And again, cut away the extra material. Use your fingers to push them together. Now with your knife, when you cut, you get the perfect panel, and you can actually cut many depending on how big your roll is. Now let's go back to the original video. Place the goggles on your Among Us. It's almost done. Roll a piece of black and then flatten it out. This is going to be the frame for the goggles. Don't make it too big. Carefully put it all around the goggles. And again, use your knife to cut away the extra material. The clay I use is called Cernit or Cernit. It's a polymer clay and really easy to use. You can of course use many different clays for this. Let's finish up with a small green plant sticking up from his head. I use the knife to get every little detail on my leaves. And finally, I cut it into the right shape. Place it on the head. And now we are done. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.